How to make a slideshow on Wix. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at how you can create a slideshow on your Wix website. Now, this can be advantageous for many reasons. People can now see much of your media just by going onto your website without even having to go into your media page or your galleries or your catalog pages. They can just see it anywhere you'd like to put it. So there's a few ways of doing this. First of all, we can tap on the edit site button right over here, which is on the main part of your dashboard. And on the left hand side over here in your toolbar, you will see site and app, and it'll give you the website and the mobile app option. You can tap on any one of these and it'll allow you to get into your editor. And once on this editing page here, you can actually see that this is what your website looks like. Now, this website is still under construction. We are still busy with this one. So what we can do now to add a slideshow is go over to the left hand side on your toolbar. Now, there are a few options that you will see here. You can add elements, you can add sections, pages and menus, site design, apps. You can integrate your business, your media, and your CMSs. What we're going to do is we're going to tap on add apps, and this basically brings you to Wix app marketplace. And what we're going to do is we are going to search for slider on the left hand side right over here. So we're going to just go in with slider, and the suggestions that it brings up over here, you're going to go ahead and have a look for video and image slider gallery, and we're going to tap on that. And now you can see it gives you a bunch of information on the actual app. And we're going to go down here and we're going to tap on add to site. Now what it'll do is you'll have to agree to all of its terms of service. And over here, we're going to just tap on agree and add. And as you can see here now, if you scroll down, it's actually added a slideshow template right over here. Now, there are a bunch of things you can actually do with this slideshow template. So once you tap on the settings up at the top of this slideshow, it'll give you a bunch of options that you can play around with and make this unique to your own website. As you can see over here, these are all the images that are currently within the slideshow, and you can change the order just by clicking down on them and dragging them. On the right hand side, you can duplicate, you can delete, and then if you tap on this arrow over here, it gives you a full view of the actual image itself. So let's go back over here, and what we want to do is we want to maybe delete these images that are in here. So we're going to just tap on delete, and then what we're going to do is we are going to tap on the add element right over here, and now you can add an image, a video, a testimonial, a banner, a document, or an event. We're going to go up here and we're going to tap on images right over here, and you can now either choose an image from your desktop or your laptop or your device, and you can do so by tapping on add image right over here. And you can then just tap on the upload media right over here, and you can upload from your desktop. You can go into any one of these platforms and you can upload directly from there. And what I've done is I've added 3 images right over here, and now there are a few options that you can actually have to change the setup of your slider. So right over here, you can tap on options, and you can then tap on transitions, and this basically gives you a few different ways of your images sliding. So you can either have speed, and that'll allow it to move relatively quickly. You can also use fade, and your images will fade from one image to the next. And when you're done, you can just tap on the done at the bottom of the page. You also have some slideshow options, so you can specify how many seconds each slide displays right over here. And as you go down, there are a few more options. You can disable a right click on images, which means visitors cannot download or copy images by right clicking. You can also enable a random slider order, and there are a few different options that you can actually select right over here. Once you are done, you're going to tap on the done in the bottom right hand side of the corner. Then you can have a look at the video options. If you have videos in your slide, you can then enable the autoplay or not. And then you have your design. Now, the design over here, you can have a look at the layout of your slider. You can also enter text onto the slider. You can enter a testimonial. You can resize and crop your slider. You can also change the background and the border. You can also have a Google tab manager, which you can enter on there, and there are some advanced options. And if you go into the advanced options, you can see here that there are a few things that you can actually play around with over here. And once you are done in there, you can go up to the pro tips, and basically what it says here is crush your online goals with product updates, pro tips for your app. And you will also receive exclusive content right over here. So you can just enter your email address over here. Once you have gone through all of the details of your slider, you now will have a slideshow on your website. You can now take this slider and you can move it around wherever you want to. You can put it anywhere you'd like on your website. And if you would like to continue to edit the options in here, all you need to do is tap on settings, and you can add new media, you can change the order and everything else about the slideshow in this settings tab. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Cheers for now.